Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Coppertop Productions. In this week's video we're going to be working on the R32, doing some things to get it a little bit closer to being able to register it, get it on the road and actually enjoy it as a car, like how I want to be able to enjoy it. Let's jump into it. We're going to be doing something a little bit different perspective wise today. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, this is a new perspective I want to try. I saw somebody else do it and I thought, that looks cool. Maybe it'll be easier to capture little things like hand gestures and tightening and loosening and other bullcrap. So we're going to give this a shot and see how it goes. Might keep doing it, might not. First thing I want to get into is the seats. So the seats that are in it are the Recaro seats that were in my Stagia. They're not bad or anything, it's just they're ridiculously high and I can't get in the car, drive the car, do anything inside the car with those seats in there without hitting my head on the roof. Secondly, I want to try and go over the lights. So obviously it's going to need blinkers, indicators, blah 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 all over it for a rego, and it currently, I don't think it has any. I know these front ones don't work because they're not hooked up, and pretty damn certain this one's not hooked up. So we might have a quick glance at those. I'm not too hard pressed about them today. I just kind of want to get an idea of where they're at and see if I need to buy anything to fix them, which for that one I'm guessing I will, but I don't know about the rest. There's going to be some wiring, bugs to chase up, some of that sort of stuff, so we'll have to see how we go with that. Other than that, the only thing I want to look at is the fuel level sensor. It's not wired up in the boot, so we'll have to have a gaze at that too. But again, the main thing I want to do is seats and just sort of really get it started and even make a list of what are the things I'm going to have to do to get it out on the road. I know it's going to be a long list, but might as well get it started and, I don't know, get a board running with notes and shit on it or something, I don't know. We'll see how we go. But for a start, let's jump in and do those seats. Oh, first try, mate, first try. This is the quality kind of angles that I'm in pretty consistently that you guys just don't get to see with a normal camera. Nice. Yeah, I already checked those ones. They'll be fine. Let's see. Hell yeah, that's so much better. Alrighty, well that's the seats in, and they look a damn sight better than they were. Steering wheel's still manky, and I did think about putting the nice one on there, but I don't really want to until I'm not working on the car, because if I go pulling stuff apart and I need to be in moving or anything like that, I don't want to get the new wheel grimy. So I'll just leave the grimy wheel on there for now and put the nice one on there when it's all nice. Yep. Don't know what else to do. I guess it's onto lights. and I still don't have a thing for it. Somewhere in there. Yep, that'll do. For a start, I guess we just see what lights it does have, because, well, that's a start. Well, that's not a good sign. What is meant to go here? Jeez, I don't even know where to start with this. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh. Oh, that's from that. I reckon that's probably fucked, hey. Look at that. Oh, it's squishy. What is that? You reckon else will turn on? Alright, let's see. Maybe... Ooh, maybe the fuse is out. It's funny because there's no fucking fuses. H lamp. Well, that could be a start. Do we have one in the other car? H lamp, look at that. Oh, no shit! Fuck! That's cool, eh? Hell yeah! That's like your night lights, or your standard lights, and then is that your and that's your, yeah, okay, cool. Look at that. 40-year-old Japanese jizz light works. What is this from? What does that go onto there? That goes onto there. And that goes onto there. Fuck yeah! That's good. This means that if I do have to drive at night time, I'm gonna be fucked. Well, that thing is really uncomfortable, but I reckon, just look at a mark on my head. Holy shit! Yep, that thing is uncomfortable to wear. It's really hot, and I don't know, but you guys already do. So let me know down in the comments what you think, if I should do that more often when I'm working on cars, maybe just for specific fiddly things like in the engine bay or stupid stuff like that. Made progress today, which is all I really wanted to do. That's all my plan really is on this car each weekend, to make a little bit of progress. I am working 6 days a week at the moment, 9-hour days, so it's a bit intense. I think I might take the rest of the day and go chill, do nothing, maybe go for a swim, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next week's video. Hope you've enjoyed. I will see you then. Bye.